in these kind of scenarios, these esteemed institutions, you have to keep one thing in mind. They have built the brand over years. That is not one day. So now if you suddenly open up in number of IITs in number of states, what actually there is a possibility that you compromise on quality of faculty, quality of infrastructure, quality of students. These are genuine questions. These are standard questions. Look at the old IITs. They were situated in certain places where there was nothing when they were established in the 1950s or 60s. Now those areas have developed. So the infrastructure that we are seeing, that is 50 years from the inception. So let's try to look at the new IITs in that light, that they will eventually come up. It takes some time, but again, to be very cautious, that you have to have this idea very clearly that you should not compromise on the quality and the brand of the institute. If you see the composition of students that we have in old IITs and where they go in for jobs, primarily most of them go for jobs, very few go for higher studies and research. Primarily most of them go for the job, and if you see the composition, who is hiring them? Hiring people are 95%, I am talking about 2013 IIT Bombay, 95% was corporate sector.
Right.
Pure corporate sector. So what happens that they see the brand IIT and comes there, and you know how does they test? They test on the basic IIT JEE scores, they test on the basic aptitude. So that luxury, that students who is coming through IIT JEE has that potential, and the corporate world knows it too.
It seems to be a very lucrative thing that we have many IITs.
Where you constantly look overseas and look at their metrics and look at, oh, how do we rank, how do we compare? We don't have as many publications per faculty member. We don't have as high a fraction of faculty members who have PhDs. Look, let's focus on what are India's problems,
right,
and what are the challenges, and how do we address the needs of the country, instead of applying some benchmark that may not be highest priority for people in India,
sure,
or institutions in India, right? So come up with your own metrics.
Basically, you need to understand that what you want to get out of it, first of all. Do you want to expand the horizon to many students and create a mass kind of a knowledge base? Is that your objective? Point number 2, are you willing to show that you have quality education with some additional numbers? That is point number 2. So these two are very critical. In terms of these two are distinguished by a very good slice of quality.
okay,
So you have to do very good research before expanding even one, that you make sure that your faculties are in place, your infrastructure is in place, everything is in place, then you expand, because once you expand, then there is no rolling back. Then if you are in trouble, every IIT gets in trouble.
okay,
The whole brand gets in trouble. So let's be slow. That idea is very good. Let's be slow, do a proper research that what we need to do, how we need to do, and when we need to do. If we identify these 3 points, then we can slowly
Absolutely. So
go
I
ahead
think
and